Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ZTE Axon 20. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top type in Microsoft Edge. Then install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open a browser. And right here we can begin the setup. So read through the introduction if you like. I'm gonna skip it though. Here we can adjust the home page so you can see your own wallpaper, most visited sites and newsfeed. You can click on Not Now to skip all of this, but let's click on Next and enable all three of them. Now sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And here you can accept or disagree with the data and privacy policies of Microsoft, and in this case I'm going to disagree and click on confirm. Now the Microsoft Edge is all set and we can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.